Hey family de Aquarius and Más by AC. Welcome back to a new video. This video is supposed to be about decoration or a setup for a 55 gallons fish tank, but unfortunately one or two seals are damaged and we have a leak. So instead of a decoration or setup for a 55 gallons, it's going to be about how to fix your fish tank seals. So let's do it. Okay guys, like I was telling you, once that you take all the gravel and everything, it's going to be kind of dirty. So what you have to do, you have to move your fish tank to clean it really good, and that's what we're going to do. But safety first. How you going to move this fish tank? You got to tie your belt really tight to prevent a hernia, and then you're going to need a 4-wheel dolly, and then when you pick up the fish tank, you're not going to bend your back, you're going to bend your knees. The proper way to pick up or lift weight and put it back. Alright, let's do it. Okay, let's go move it a little bit like that. Move it. Right there. Now hold it from here and from here. Okay, and then bend your knees. There we go. Now we're going to clean it.
Follow me.
Oh yeah.
As you all see, that this the problem is the silicone must have.
Okay, now always bring it like where I have the grass, because it will be easier to. We're going to extend up the tank, so less chance to get your fish tank broke. You go like that. All the water and everything that you got on the fish tank, whatever is left, don't you worry. You can use a towel or anything to clean it up, because it has to be like really clean. Okay, now let's put it back. Hold it on the other side. Like this. So you can tell here everything is left. Okay, now we're going to put it right here so we can work on the fish tank better. And 1, 2, 3. You already take off everything with the vacuum and everything. It's time to take the seal, the remaining seals that you're gonna fix out. So what you do is you don't go all the way down, but almost all the way down. Remember, there is a seal right here, and you don't want to break the seal. So you go like right above the seal, and then you go all the way up it, and then you take it off. So you can see all the seal is coming off. This is all that you need to take it off, because you want the new seal go just like maybe half centimeter about where the two glasses join. So that's all you need to take off. Okay, next step, you're gonna use alcohol. Spray it, because you want all these really good without dust, oils, natural oils or nothing. Once that you clean it with alcohol, you don't touch it. You have to be like really good clean. Remember the silicone, it needs to be attached to both, so you need to clean both sides. Okay, that's all you need to do. Okay, now this next step, you need to put tape from all the way to the bottom. To the top, but it has to be like very careful, not too far, not too close. Mm-hmm. All the way up. It's kind of thick. It's kind of tricky, this part, because it has to be straight and it don't have to be too apart of the glass. Okay, and you go like that. Where's the blade? When you cut the glass, the tape, you gotta go very careful. Don't break the seal on top. And then you go on the other side. You go all the way to the bottom. See? Too high. The thing is, the higher, the far the tape is from the joint glasses, the thicker the seal is gonna be, and it doesn't look too nice. So. what about right there? How far it looks? How far it looks? Too far? Too looks good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, once that you're done with the tape, it's time for the silicone. And it's gonna be all the way to the bottom. To the top. Okay, now the other one, all the way from the bottom. Okay, once that you put the silicone, get your finger and very, very slow. Not too hard. Okay, after you do that, put a little bit more in the corner to seal. Okay, and then remove take off both. They stick really good. You can use either this the blade. I just cut my nails, so I cannot stick it really good. There we go. And then sometimes it's gonna be a pain in you know where, but there we go. Okay. Sometimes when you remove the tape, you missed out some the seal, but you just put some on it and that's it. Yeah. Okay, and that's how it's supposed to be, the seals. There's tiny, and it won't look bad. It looks professional. A little bitty tiny things, but hey, any extra silicone, when it's done, when it's dry, you can get a blade and just cut a extra and peel it. All right, guys, we done with the seals on 4 corners, but also I saw the seals on the bottom of the fish tank of the aquarium. It was kind of damaged, so I decided to remove it and do the whole fish tank. So as you can see, come here, is the 4 seals on the corners and on the bottom. Like any imperfections with the silicone, like here or like right here, I don't know if you can see right here, little things like that, don't try to remove it right away. In the bottom, it doesn't really matter how the seals looks, because they're always gonna be like sand, gravel, or something that is gonna cover that. So cosmetic on the bottom, it doesn't mean a lot, but the ones on the corners, that's the one that you decide how thick and how wide it's gonna be. I like kind of thin. It looks better than thick and wide. But how to protect the seals and how to protect you crystal or the glass of the aquarium, that will be another video that I will show you how to take care of seals, how you're supposed to wash them, and your glass, what you need to use to wash your glass and the seals, so it doesn't look like green when they have the slime, or not slime, but the algae on the seals. It's really hard to take it off, and well, like I said, that will be another video. So for right now, I did the bottom and the 4 corners, new seals, and we will wait until tomorrow. So we're gonna taste it tomorrow to see how it looks, and hopefully doing really good, no leaks, and everything will come out really good. All right, see you tomorrow. Okay guys, 2 days later, finally we can see the results. I couldn't do it before because it was way too cold, and the glass was sweating, so it was really wet, and you can really tell if it was leaking or not. But today it's not leaking. You can see the seals, silicone seals, everything really good, no leaking, nothing. It's been like that for 2 days, no water on the floor, nothing, so we're good. I hope so this video be good for you, that if you need to do something like this, at least I give you the idea how to do it. Perfect. So this is gonna be it for the video. So if you like the video, please give me a like, share my videos. Do you want to leave a comment? You can leave it down below. And the most important thing, the bell, activate the bell, so next time they make another video and upload it, you'll be one of the first ones to watch it. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Until the next. Bye.